nyalo dichieng' ma kiny. Ikruok mogik otimore ne nyasi mar JAMHURI ma idhi bagi e pacho ka odiochieng' ma kiny. Nyasi maduong' mawang' ni bago e alap mar tuke ma Nyayo e kaunti ma Nairobi. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita kwe Raymond Omolo ne otimo limbe e alap ma Nyayo mar rango chal mar ikruok ma oseketi kendo yango ni nyaka sani ikruok manitie oseromo. Nyasi ni kine ta kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
As it is, we are 100% satisfied. We are ready, and we are looking forward to having Kenyans from all walks of life attend the celebrations that will be presided over by President William Ruto. We have a number of invited guests, ambassadors, dignitaries, senior government officials, and members of the public from across the length and breadth of the country. In terms of security, we have adequate preparations, and we are working very closely with the security personnel. So Kenyans should not be worried about their security for those who will be coming into the stadium as part of the celebrations and across the